I'll walk this way. Or at least I'd be able to see some of it. Here at Sainte de Bellevue at about 4:10 p.m. Just got here. We just turned to the other side. And there's a train. I'm with Elton today. I don't know where he is. Over behind me over there. But this is the best spot to get it, considering where I am. It's the 14th of August 2025. Okay, at least I got to see something here. And this is from a perspective that I haven't seen in a while. There's a DPU. Yeah, where Elton is, he's not going to see too much. There's an auto rack carrier on the highway over there. Oh, look at that! The Via train too. So 2 for 1. They're going the same direction. Awesome. That was worthwhile. And the GATX gas train cars. Oh, look at that. And that's it. That's the end of the train. Here at Sainte de Bellevue. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.